Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Crazy Cat Fishing. I'm Stacy. Thanks for stopping by. Hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up. Appreciate it. Hey, today we're going to see how far my battery from my trolling motor will go on full speed. I've got an everstart Walmart battery, marine deep cycle. It's a 101 hour amp battery. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you already know I got a watersnake 30-pound thrust. It's got 5 forward speeds. At number 5 speed, it draws 30 amps an hour. And so I'm gonna put it on 5 speed and go to the swimming area. My family's gonna meet me there. I'm not exactly sure how far it is, and but I've got my phone with me that tells me my speed, my distance, and my time. And we're just going to see if we can actually make it there. It's a pretty long way, so let me get the battery put in here and get everything else set up, and I'll see you here in a second. How's it doing? There we go. Alrighty, let's go. We're going to take it easy until we get past this buoy, and then we'll open her up and get going. And I got a rod. Once I get past this buoy, because I know there's a bunch of trees through here that'll get hung on, but I'm going to troll a spoon. It's a novelty spoon my best friend gave me for Christmas about 2 years ago. And just see if I can't catch something with it. Like I said, I'm just doing this just to see how far a fully charged battery will take me on this trolling motor in this kayak. That way I have an idea when I actually want to get out on it. And I mean, I don't plan on using it to actually fish with, just to get me to the fishing spots that I want to get to, and then use my paddle to maneuver around and do all that stuff, and maybe go up river so I can come back down drifting and stuff. And then once I drift past my takeout, I have my motor to pull me back up. But yeah, well, let's see what's going to happen here, y'all. All right, we're going to throw this novelty spoon out. It's a penis. I thought, why not try to catch one on a penis? I think I'm gonna have to figure out a way to cause this steering to stay in one spot, other than holding it the whole time. But I'm constantly have to make readjustments. She is out, and we're liable to catch fish. Okay, let's go 5. Full speed, baby. Almost 4 miles an hour. Took us 5 minutes. Or no, it took us 6 minutes to get out to the main lake. Of course, we were going first, second, and third for most of the time. Yay! Looks like she's holding up good. We're going way, we gotta pass all these islands down here. and cut up and go way over there, plumb on the other side of the lake.
I don't feel like we're going that fast when we're far from the bank. It's gonna be a long trip, y'all. Still maintaining 3.7, 3.8 mile an hour.
Look at the scenery, y'all. Oh, Nelly. Oh, I think something has slipped on my trolling motor. Well, I shouldn't have to. Yeah. I don't know if I got the screw on too tight and it ain't allowing it to twist. I'll get over here to this island. I'll see if I can't fix it. I'm hoping I can get over there. Yeah, so my clamp on my shaft was loose and I'm having to hold my arm out like this just to keep it straight. I'm fixing to stop the time on this and stop the motor. I'm almost to this island, and then I got an Allen wrench with me. All I have to do is tighten it up and that should do the trick. So stay tuned. There's the island. You see this screw right here, it's all Allen nuts. It got loose, or I didn't have it tight enough to begin with. One, I don't know. Anyway, we'll just tighten her down a little more. And she should be ready to go again. Check, make sure this. I can do this without getting water on my phone. Oh, I'm falling in. Oh. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Set that down. Let's deploy the trolling motor. And she's down. Put her in. I'll keep going before. Oh yeah, she turns now. Alrighty. Well, let's get back at it. Once I get past these shallows, I'll cast that lure back out and troll. See, there's the end down there, and the swimming area is just to the right of it, probably about a quarter mile. So, woohoo! Now that I can steer this thing, it's kind of touch and go again. You barely touch anything, it wants to move. especially on the outside. Let's see, we're still going about the same speed, 3.7, 3.8. So our battery ain't slowed down yet. Oh yeah, I can see it. See that green spot way over there on the side of the lake? That's where we're headed. Let's cast this out. Sit back and relax. Enjoy the ride. We have went 1.49 miles. Wow. This took us 30 minutes so far.
Yeehaw. I don't like these boat waves aren't going this fast.
Y'all don't get me wrong, I like paddling kayaks, but this is so much better. Just to sit here, not wore out, just enjoy yourself as you're going along. This is awesome. You ought to try it. Alright y'all, I made it to my destination. It was 2.26 miles. My top speed was 42 miles an hour. It took me 42 minutes to get here. And I still maintain power. I'm not done yet. I'm going to go over here and try to catch some fish and play around with the trolling motor. Just see how much longer we can get out of this thing. So just stay tuned. I'll keep you up to date. Let's see if we can get some fish, y'all. All right, we're gonna run this thing down. I had stopped my timer and my mileage thing, but I started it back up again just before I hit this. So, well, it flipped on me. There we go. We're gonna just see. We're gonna keep on. We'll make runs up and down. Of course, now we're going into the wind. I'm going against the wind again. I'm only got 3 miles an hour. I think my battery's about to wear down. I've been 10 more minutes since the last time. I've been almost 1 more mile since I made it to the beach. I've just been running back and forth. Check out these waves. Wow. Steadily at 3.2. When the wind gives up, I speed up a couple notches, but alright, I'll keep him up to date. That can't be right. That's saying I'm going 4.5 miles an hour and I'm going towards the wind. Well folks, my phone, the thing that I was using, the mile per hour app, it showed I had 15 satellites, but it wouldn't never hook up with none of them. So it's been a pretty good day. I went 3 miles at full speed. It took me, and I ran it roughly for about an hour or so. I don't know. I'd have to look back on the thing. But gave me a really good idea of how far I can go, kind of. I still ain't ran it down. I'm going to keep running it for a little bit, and if anything else happens, I'll let you know. But hey, thanks for stopping by and watching. Y'all make memories, go fishing. Yeehaw, y'all.